Hope everybody must have done that. All right. Now let's start our topic. I think up to hybridization we have done. Am I right, Askar?
Yes, ma'am, the method also.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
the
green
whole board is
revolution
not
we need to
visible.
start with today.
Ma'am, the whole board is not visible.
Wait, beta. If I'll check out for the board, I'll not be able to converse with you other guys. Okay. I will set time for this thing. Even I'm able to check the picture.
Ma'am, it is okay now.
Sorry. Now what?
मैम अब ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन से करना है.
I have turned on the volume up to full, but then too you guys are not properly audible to me today. I don't know. So we need to start with green. See, what is revolution? That is known as Kranti, जिसको आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं, right? So the revolution which comes in the field of greenery, plant, that is known as crops, that is known as the green revolution. So if I talk about last 30, 40 years, we have grown our cereals in tremendous amounts, right? We have increased the yield in a tremendous amount, and that is known as green revolution. As I've already told you that earlier, dependent on other countries for the cereal crops and all, but now we are self-sufficient for that. Like even we can export that to other countries also. And how this green revolution came? This green revolution came by the better variety of seeds that we have chosen, right? Now the question comes from where we got these best varieties of seed. We got them imported from other countries, right? Like Mexico, etc. So we got them imported from the other countries, and the best seeds we went for the crossbreeding, the hybridization process, and finally the variety which we got, it was having all the desired characters, right? Means it was not occupying a lot of space, the plants were not too big in size, they were providing you more yields in the same fields, right? In the same area, it was able to provide you the whole yield, right? So this is known as green revolution. Okay, so let's write down.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
ma'am,
yes, Peter, speak up.
ma'am, my voice is not coming properly.
My voice is not coming.
Ma'am, it is audible to me.
Yes, ma'am, it's not clear. Ma'am, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Askar, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep yourself unmuted only. I want one person to let me know if any is there.
Okay, ma'am.
So, crop yields right. Best quality seeds, allowing cross breeding. Now, one more term is being introduced in your book, that is organic farming. Right? You must have heard these words. We use many times organic food, right? Organic colors. So, what is organic? The one which is, sorry, I'll stand aside. The one which is not having any chemicals in it, right? जिसमें कोई chemicals नहीं है. So the crop which is being grown through all the natural method. That means for the pesticides also natural pesticides are being used. For as fungicides also natural components are being used. Even fertilizers are not being added. Only the manure, that is the organic substance that is used for the proper nutrition of the plants and the soil. Okay, so means nothing you are using which is made up of chemical is known as organic. Now, next topic is food from animals, right? What type of food we get from animals? Okay. See, animals, what they need everything what we need. Bhumi Khandelwal, wait for a while, bacha. So they need everything what we need. What we need food, shelter, etc. Clothing. So they also need food, shelter, care, etc. for their proper growth. Okay. ये जो ब्रांच होती है जो कि इसके साथ डील करती है उसको ये इनका ध्यान रखना, इनको ब्रीडिंग karana. This is known as animal husbandry. Many times I have asked this question. Define animal husbandry. So what is animal husbandry? The science which deals with breeding, feeding and caring of animals. Okay. We are not talking about the wild. Domestic animals is known as animal husbandry. And everybody knows that what we get from animals, right? We depend on either on plants or on the animals for our food. Okay. If I talk about the milk and the milk product, there is a vast list over there, right? Which we get from cow, buffalo, goat, camel, etc. Milk, which is used to prepare many products. Okay. पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग क्या होता है? जब आप एग्स के लिए किसी को rearing करते हो, okay, that is known as poultry farming. For selling their eggs, you are rearing them, rearing of hands, that's for their eggs. That is known as poultry farming. What is pisciculture? Pisci belongs to the fish. So when you are rearing the fish, that means for the selling purpose, that is known as pisciculture. Okay. So just write down these terms in short. 4 terms we will introduce. Organic farming, farming in which no chemical is used. Next comes the animal husbandry. All these terms I may are okay. Breeding, feeding, and caring of domestic animals. Okay. Next, one more term, pisciculture. Rearing of fishes. Okay. That is done on a very large scale. I hope I can write the first 2 lines. Next comes the last, the poultry farming. Poultry farming क्या होता है? Rearing of hens and ducks. On large scale for their eggs. Okay. So here I'm ending up with my chapter and starting with the book exercise. I hope you guys must have searched for that. Yes, Bhumi Khandelwal, unmute yourself. Again, you have muted yourself. Beta, why you are muting yourself again and again? If you're not having any query, then lower down your hand. Yes, Khandelwal, switch on your video first. Everyone, switch on your videos. Done. Shall we go with the book exercise? Take out your pencils now and start marking in your book. Those who want to give answers, they will just raise their hands. Nobody will unmute. By the time I'll not call out your name. We are big enough to understand the etiquettes, how we need to behave in online classes, right? And even you guys are my obedient students also. Okay. So nobody will unmute, okay? Nobody means nobody. And call out your name, then only you guys have to. You just have to raise your hand. Any queries there? Yes, Chandni.
Ma'am, please, we have to write in copy now.
Yeah. Okay, lower down your hand. Your query is cleared. Chandni, I'm aside now. Bhumi Khandelwal.
Ma'am, I am the new student.
Okay, you are a new student. All right, Bhuvi. From which school you are?
Ma'am, Sealing Public School, Jawaharnagar.
Seedling Public School. All right. So you have cleared 7th over there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I welcome you in Malvia Convent, beta. And
Thank you, ma'am.
we are just doing with, I'm your science teacher. My name is Muskan Khatpani, and we are first chapter, crop production and management. Okay, this chapter I have explained. You just go through this chapter, and today we are going to do the question answer. So please keep on marking that, read out the chapter. If you find any problem, then let me know. Okay, Bhumi?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the previous work.
It's nothing like that. You can prepare the notes by yourself. 2 copies you have to make, the interleaf copy, which are of green color. Have you purchased the book set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you must have got the green interleaf copies. So take 2 copies for science. Okay.
Ma'am.
On the right lining side page, you have to write 1 copy you will make for the classwork that we'll do on board, right? And the activities, if I'm going to provide you any, you have to do in the classwork copy only, the notes copy. And another one should be for the question answers. Short and the long questions, only short and long questions and what you guys have to do in your copy. You are having many, if you have questions also, science quiz also, you are having MCQs also, circle the odd ones also, fill-ups also, again one more MCQ, very short answers. All these you guys don't have to do in your copies. Only do short type 1, short type 2, long and HOTS. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just first raise your hand. Kunal Sadhwani, are you a new student?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kunal. From which school you are, beta?
Kids Play School.
Okay, where it is?
10 sector.
All right. So I welcome you
Ma'am,
too in Malvia
excuse
Convent.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that you have prepared note I have done in science CW copy.
Yeah, that is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to do in that only. Now the question answers which you will do today, now that you will do in
Yes,
another.
ma'am.
Okay, Kunal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Keep your video on every time. Okay, this will give you the feel of class even to me. All right. Any other student with me today? Yes, whom I haven't interacted yet? Is there anyone? Raise your hand. No one is there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you please say any child to help me?
For what you need help, bacha?
Ma'am, for all subjects.
All subjects you need help. Okay, I'll ask Astha.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you help this girl?
Yes, ma'am. Can I have a number?
Uh, uh, let me check if I'm having chat option for you to provide you guys. Sorry, that is being removed. I cannot provide you the chat option. Okay, can you tell me your phone number, Bhumi?
Yes, ma'am.
Astha, please note it down.
7976
Yes.
318238.
Have you written, Astha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, Bhumi. She'll call you and help you.
Fine.
Okay. All right, now be ready. I hope all of you have the question answers.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
What happened, Narayan?
मैम अब तक कितने चैप्टर हो गए?
One only. First only we have completed. We are doing the question answers.
ओके मैम.
And if you want to ask something, you should raise your hand first, Narayan. Yes, what is meant by manuring? What is meant by manuring?
Ma'am, bucket size.
Size we are doing now. Oral questions. Yes.
मैम जो पहले बैक पेज पेज नंबर 10 और उस पे दे रखी है वो
Page number.
पेज नंबर 10
Page number
15 एंड हाँ 10 और 15 पे दे रखी है.
तेरा फोन बैटरी कितनी है?
31. Hardik Swami removing you from the class. Oh shit. Other than Astha Singh was removed. All right. So, Vanshika, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The use of manure and fertilizers are called manuring.
Okay, and on which page it is being provided?
Page number 12 of chapter 1.
All right. I hope everybody must have done this and I can wrap.
In the topic manure.
Then
We are doing the oral questions.
this we have to write in copy.
No, you just have to write in book in front of the question. Okay, Dev? Just mark in your book with pencil. OQ डाल दीजिए oral question. देखो question के सामने पेज नंबर डाल दो, पेज नंबर 12, right? And in front of answer just mark OQ1, oral question 1. Yeah? All right. It's being provided over there. Manuring, the very first line of manure and fertilizers, right? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So oral question first is on page number 12. Just mark the definition. Let me check out for the next question. What is irrigation? It's given on page number 14. It's given on page number 14 on right hand side. Only the definition, right? Okay. Come to the next question.
Ma'am, this
what?
you have to write in copy.
No, you just have to mark in your book so that you can read out at the time of examination.
मैम कहाँ से कहाँ तक करना है?
Just the definition which is being given on the right hand side. The supply of water to the crop plants at regular interval through sources other than rain is called irrigation.
Yes, ma'am.
Name any two kharif crops, rice, maize, cotton, any you can provide. Just write in front of question. Come to the next. Which crop is grown in the rainy season? Kharif or Rabi? Which is being grown?
Kharif.
Yes. Kharif crops. Name the nitrogen fixing bacteria present in root nodules of leguminous plants. What is the name?
Rhizobium.
This is the of science quiz. Here we are starting with science quiz. Rhizobium bacteria. Who is unmuted?
Rhizobium.
मैम राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया थर्ड पे आएगा. यस मैम आपने सेकंड वाला छोड़
Okay,
दिया.
sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Then second one.
I
और मैम ये लोग आंसर भी दे रहे राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया.
forgot to read the second question. I didn't notice that. It's perfectly fine. Okay, let's start. Please don't unmute yourself randomly. Anchika, you're not sitting in a peaceful environment. Self muted only. Yes, second one. What is the first step for growing a crop? I would like.
Preparation of soil.
Yes, preparation of soil. Second is preparation of soil. Okay.
मैम आपने उसके लिए बोला था आगे जाने के लिए.
What is this? And that is the preparation of. Okay, take the correct option. The science which deals with breeding, feeding.
Ma'am. A1.
Yes.
Animal husbandry.
Yes. First का है A.
Animal.
Which of the following is not a cereal?
Ma'am, barley.
Barley.
Sure.
Ma'am,
मैम बाजरा
Ma'am, B.
बाजरा मैम बाजरा
Okay. Just confirm your answers. One.
मैम बाजरा
मैम P.
check it out once.
मैम P है P.
Ma'am, it is P.
मैम बाजरा.
Okay,
मैम फर्स्ट वाले को क्या
let's. Sama saying P, Sama saying Bajra. What is the question? Just read out the question first. Okay. ई क्या होता है? लेगुमिनस प्लांट होता है. ठीक है, ये सीरियल नहीं है, ये अनाज है. क्या आप इसकी रोटी बना के खाते हो? कि मेज, बाजरा, बार्ले, all these are being eaten, right? But not the P. So those who are saying B are correct. Urea is what is urea?
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
A. Rhizobacterium bacteria are found in.
Root nodules. Root nodules of leguminous.
Yes, they are being found in root nodules. Again, the collective answers I am getting. Circle the odd one: rice plant, maize plant, wheat plant, and coconut plant. Only one will answer. Raise your hands. Chavi. Chavi. Yes, Chavi, answer me. Mukund.
Ma'am, cotton plant.
Mukund is saying cotton plant. Okay, Chitra, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, wheat plant.
Wheat plant. Ma'am, wheat plant is the answer.
Wheat plant.
Ma'am, because wheat plant is grown in rabi crops. Wheat plant is a rabi crop
Rest of all
and remaining are kharif crop.
Yes.
Ma'am,
wheat
cotton-
is a rabi crop. Okay, so go with wheat. Yeah. Go with wheat, everyone. Next, come to the next.
मैम फर्स्ट का आंसर वीड है.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, second can I tell?
मैम लेकिन
Ma'am,
फर्स्ट का तो
pesticide.
कॉटन होना चाहिए ना.
Pesticides.
बेटा कॉटन, मेज, ये सब जो होते हैं खारिफ क्रॉप्स होती है. एंड व्हीट
Ma'am,
रबी क्रॉप.
मैम ये
Ma'am,
तो
second
क्रॉप्स
का
के
pesticides
क्लासिफिकेशन के हिसाब से हो गया. बट ये जो बाकी के तीनों है वीट, मीज और राइस, ये हम खा सकते हैं. कॉटन को हम नहीं खा सकते. ये भी ऑर्डर.
यस
तो
मैम.
उसमें क्लासिफाई यहाँ पर आपको एडिबल और नॉन एडिबल के अकॉर्डिंग किया है. दे हैव क्लासिफाइड हियर on the basis of kharif and rabi crops. Okay, next comes the plowing, pesticides, manuring and leveling.
Ma'am,
Pesticides.
Pesticides, because rest all are the
Process of
agriculture practice.
agricultural practices.
Yes, rest are the steps of agricultural practices, but that is not. Please mention pesticide.
Pesticide is a fertilizer.
Yes, pesticide is the different one. It's a chemical, and rest all are the steps. Okay, come to the next one.
Ma'am, green manure.
Urea, superphosphate, green manure, potash. Yes, it is the
Green manure.
It is the organic one, and others are inorganic. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself, everyone. Manage yourself by your muting you on the correct time. Yes, green manure because it is organic.
Organic matter.
Ma'am, the board is not visible.
Board is visible.
Ma'am, the lower side of board is not visible.
I'm not writing on the lower side. I haven't written anything yet. Even I'm going to rub it.
मैम पेस्टिसाइड्स वाला दिख नहीं रहा थोड़ा.
चलिए next आ जाइए. Fill in the blanks that are sown in winter season are known as.
Rabi crops.
Rabi crops.
We are going on with the fill-ups. First, write Rabi crops. Second, the plow is leveled with the help of.
Leveler.
Leveler.
Yes. Leveler of plants through sources other than rain.
Irrigation.
Irrigation. In the next MCQ section B पे आ जाइए. Come on section B now. First, in the crop rotation method, after harvesting each crop, we can sow
Cotton.
leguminous crop, right? And which is the leguminous crop?
Ma'am, pea.
For the uniform distribution.
Ma'am, rice.
Manure.
Ma'am, rice.
No, rice is not a leguminous crop in crop rotation method. What you do, you grow one cereal crop with one leguminous crop. So it's P. For the uniform distribution of water and manure in a field, a farmer practices
Manuring.
for the uniform distribution.
Ma'am, none of these.
None of these you.
Just check, it has been provided you with the option of blowing also, the leveling also. Check all the options and give me the answer.
I'm blowing.
Everybody is giving the different answers.
Ma'am, leveling.
I'm blowing.
Farmer practices
Ma'am, leveling.
Ma'am, it is leveling.
Ma'am, leveling.
This is the correct answer. Next. Uprooting of weed is a method of controlling them. Uprooting the weeds. Alag karna, ukhaadna. Is this a chemical method or biological or mechanical?
Ma'am, biologically.
Beta, manually you are doing this.
Ma'am, it should be manually, but there is no option.
You will no, but
Ma'am, mechanically.
you will use any implement for that. No, either you will use
Ma'am, mechanically.
yes, hoe.
Mechanically.
that.
Mechanically.
Okay, you can use anything over there. Any hoe or any khurpa, these type of implements you will use over there. Okay, चलिए next आ जाते हैं. We have done till third. Come to the very short.
Ma'am, इसका क्या आंसर लिखें? None of these करें?
No,
Mechanic.
B I have written on the board now. Come to the very short questions. Whose period is next? Palak.
Ma'am, English का है कानुप्रिया मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
आ भी गई class.
All right. Please find out rest of the questions and we will in our next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, bye.
All right. Good morning, Kanupriya ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I leave, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, sure, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, class. Have a nice day. Take care.
So good morning once again.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
All right, quickly open your grammar copy, grammar book. And Pari, have you raised your hand for previous class? Then please lower down. All right, do we have any doubt in the